Do you need some craft room organization solutions that actually work? I'm going to be showing you my top favorite Amazon organization products for my craft room. Let's get into it. Hello creative friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tiffany Solorio. In today's video, I have compiled a list of my top favorite Amazon organization must-haves for my craft room. I've been using some of these for many years, so you know that they work. The first organization item I'm going to share with you are these fridge bins. I use these for multiple things in my craft room. I love storing my stamps and dies in these bins, and they fit perfectly in my calyx unit. Another way I use these bins is to organize my completed cards. Before, they were all over the place and I could never find a card when I needed one, so this bin makes it easy to have them all in one place. On the other side of this bin, I like to put some of my favorite backgrounds that I've created. I have so many, and this just reminds me to look here first when I want to create a card, but I don't have a lot of time. These bins make it easy to flip through all of my supplies, cards, and backgrounds. The second item are these small storage containers. I have a few different brands and types, but they all work great. I love how I can mix and match them to fit in all of my different size drawers. These are great for organizing so many different things like blending brushes, alcohol ink tools and supplies, re-inkers, and so much more. I've had these IKEA shelves for many years, and I like to store my distress sprays, paints, and other supplies on them. But I really wanted to break it up a bit, and I found these shorter shelves on Amazon that are perfect. I put my distress pin board in the center of the IKEA shelf and the two smaller Amazon shelves on the side. This is a perfect way to display artwork or cards like I do, and the smaller shelves would work great for sprays and paints too. One of my newest organization items is this 3-tier spinning organizer. It's advertised to use for nail polish, but I'm storing all of my alcohol inks on it. Before, my alcohol inks were stuffed in a drawer and I had to pull them out and search for the colors I wanted to use. Now they're all on display so I can easily find the ones that I want. I can store my alcohol ink swatches on top and other supplies if I want to as well. It's so satisfying to see them all organized. One of my absolute favorite craft room organization items is my pegboard. Now mine is from IKEA, but I did find one similar on Amazon. I love using it to store some of my tools like scissors and blending brushes. I even keep my controller on here so I can easily grab it when I want to do some gaming. I love adding some of my favorite projects on here as well. I recently purchased this organizer for my Alex unit. I love how I can switch up the dividers so I can fit all of my supplies easily. Before, this drawer was a hot mess. Now it's nice and organized so I can find what I need quickly. I love this Deflecto stackable organizer to store all of my zig markers in. I don't have a lot of markers, but these do stack if you need more than one organizer. I can easily grab the colors that I want and I can bring it to my desk if need be. A couple years ago, I did a craft room closet makeover. I purchased these cheap plastic bins to stack in my closet that hold things that I don't use that often, but I wanted them organized so I can find them easily when I do need them. I still love them because I can easily see what's in them and they stack on top of each other, which makes them great for storing. They are a bit flimsy, but you can't beat the price if you're not storing really heavy supplies in them. They're definitely a must-have. This next product isn't for organizing, but I love having it to keep my desk from getting stained with all of the messes that I make. It's so easy to clean, and it comes in various sizes, but if you can't find one that fits your desk, you can easily cut it to size. I have a few more bonus products that I love having in my craft room. I absolutely love this Alexa stand. When I saw this stand, I had to get it. I love having things that bring me joy in my craft room that aren't really crafty related. Another helpful item in my craft room is this headphone stand. I have a slight obsession with headphones, and some of them are not cheap. So I love having this stand so that I can easily find them, and this keeps them away from my work surface so they don't get ruined. I also love having this iPad stand. It keeps it up from my work surface when I need it close so I don't spill anything on it. Now this does not keep it safe from all the splatters. All of these amazing organizational items help keep my craft room clean and organized so that I can do more crafting and less time cleaning. And you can check out a full craft room tour and find out even more ways to organize your supplies in the short playlist right here. I'll see you there.